This is the Old Guy Network.
Hey, welcome back to the Trailer Hood. I am the old guy, the OG, Jay. You know who you are. And look, I've got more coffee. Thank you to all the people that go to my coffee page and buy me cups of coffee. I really do. I really appreciate that. It's the best part of my day when I wake up and I look online and somebody's bought me some coffee because, well, I'm kind of addicted to coffee. There is a link in the description if you'd like to do that too. That would be a wonderful thing. Well, welcome to Anything Can Happen Wednesday, and I can talk about anything I damn well please. That's what Wednesday's all about. Just got back from the other trailer over at the other Trailer Hood at the Flip Trailer, as I like to call it. Just making sure a few things are taken care of there. I got the shelf back up in the master bedroom, so that's all done, and I know it'll hold quite a bit because I hung off it. And all that weight that I lost during the trailer build, well, I gained that all back. So, yeah, I'm a good test subject for that shelf. I hung off it for a few seconds and it didn't collapse. So, I think it's going to be okay. And I got some more stuff out of the shed. That's completely cleaned out now, so that's looking good. Because Debbie from Alaska, she's going to be here in a few days. I can't wait to meet her, and I hope she likes her new home. It looks really nice. It's a very inviting place. Every time I walk in there, I think, this is a nice place. This would be a nice place to live. So I'm really excited about meeting her for the first time, and she'll be here in a few days. I'm not going to say exactly when. You don't need to know that. But a lot of stuff going on here. I've been burning up as much scrap wood as I possibly can. I'm trying to make more and more room for the shed because, well, I'm going to be sharing the shed now at least one day a week, maybe two, I don't know. But we have Krista joining us starting today. You'll get to meet her today. I don't think we're going to be doing any projects, but we will talk a little bit and try to figure out what the hell she's going to be doing here. She is a wonderful person. She goes to school. She has a full-time job. She helped out with the trailer build because her very good friend Miranda was working for me, and Miranda said, well, she would like to help out too. So I let her help out, and she did a great job. She does rustic projects on her own, and she thinks by being around me a little bit, she'll learn some stuff. I don't know about that, but she might learn what not to do. That I'm a good example of that. But I'm excited about that too. I can't wait till she gets here. But in the meantime, I just wanted to let you know that I am blowing up in Slovenia. I am. The other day, I started getting more and more comments from people from Slovenia, and I was just amazed. I went to bed that night, and I woke up the next morning, and I had like 7 more subscribers, and I believe all of them are from Slovenia. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. I did get my first negative comment. I guess it's a negative comment. I don't know. You decide. The first one from Hardcore, and apparently he's from Slovenia, and he says, "We don't like Americans. Guess why?" Well, is it because you never learned how to spell the word guess correctly? I don't know. And you're mad about that? I don't know. But I'm sure English is a second language to you, so that's not so bad. Look, I don't know if you guys all hate Americans. If you do, that's really sad, because there are some people out there I don't like very much, but I don't dislike their whole country just because of them or because of one circumstance. I mean, I'd like to go visit Germany someday, and they've got kind of a checkered history, so, but I'd still like to see it. That's, so if that's true that people from Slovenia don't like Americans, well, I'm sorry to hear that. I really am. But remember, this is one person, and it goes by the name of Hardcore. So, maybe you could tell me, you could send another, put down another comment, and you could tell me why. And I don't think you represent the whole entire country of Slovenia. Maybe you do. Maybe you're the leader. I don't know who you are. But next time, why don't you try, you don't like Americans, and you can tell me why you don't like Americans. I like you just fine. So I don't know what the problem is. But thanks for the comment. I do like comments, and like I said, that's the first negative comment I've gotten since I started this channel. Really negative one. So, that's not so bad. But welcome to all the other Slovenians who have joined this channel, who have subscribed. I really appreciate you. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. By the end of the year. That would be a wonderful, wonderful goal. Do I think I'll make it? I don't know. It's up to you, right? If you haven't subscribed, please do that. I would really appreciate that. So I'm going to go back outside, and I'm going to get a fire going and burn some more wood and wait for Krista, and then I'll introduce you to her, and you're going to like her. I'm sure of it. This is my sad face. I know I look a little bit like Grumpy Cat, don't I? I just got a text message from my friend Krista, and she's not going to be able to make it today. As a matter of fact, she called in sick for work today. She's not feeling good at all. No, I don't think it's anything serious, so you don't be thinking that. But she said that she's going to try to be here some other time during this week, maybe a little bit later in the week, if she's feeling better. And I certainly hope she is feeling better, and I do want her to show up. I'm very, very excited about having somebody else here. If anything else, just to listen to me rant every once in a while. So, that's kind of nice too. But on this, anything can happen Wednesday. Krista's not going to join us today. But we all hope, I know we do, we all hope for a speedy recovery, and maybe she'll show up sometime this week. I would like that. I really would. So get better, Krista. And if she's not going to be here, well, I got nothing left. So I guess that's the end of the video for today. Thank you very much for watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, do those YouTube things. Hit like, share, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. And I'll see you back here next time. I am the old guy. I'm the OG, and I'm out.